a substantial piece of lead crystal to show you. A little rose bowl, 5 inches diameter in its sort of widest section here, about 4.5 inches tall. Very nice, clean, double metal floral stem support. Nice and clean, this one. Quite a few. Well, this one has got a little bit of rust just starting to show through the metal work there, but by and large for a vintage piece that's nice and clean. The glass itself, or lead crystal should I say, really nicely decorated, smooth, very ground rims. The decoration design, sort of these pyramidal islands of triangles, and then these starburst floral or sunset designs alternating around the rim, and then the base plate with the classic starburst or flower burst in the base. Very nice, clean, very heavy piece. I think it's probably about 1 kilogram of lead crystal, and it fits together very nicely. Beautiful thing, nice and bright, very shiny, no signs of wear or scratching on it, and as I say, the floral support in the metalwork is in very good condition. So a nice set available, not a lot of money for a nice piece of vintage lead crystal, and a usable piece as well. Follow the link on the YouTube video. It'll take you through to the website listing for this particular lead crystal and metal rose bowl. Thanks for watching.